Dear students, now we are in the topic of Mathematics 1A Trigonometry. In yesterday's class, page number 265, we have completed solved problem 6.3.12. In the solved problem 6.3.12, 9 questions we have completed. Let us going to discuss today from 10th question onwards, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, total 16 sums are there. Let us going to discuss about the sums depends upon the multiple submultiple angles concept. Example 10, page 268. Example 10, page 268. Total 4 questions for A. Capital A belongs to real number. Prove that first one, sin A into sin of pi by 3 plus A into sin of pi by 3 minus A is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3A. Second one, cos A into cos of pi by 3 plus A into cos of pi by 3 minus A is equal to cos 3, 1 by 4 cos 3A, 1 by 4 cos 3, and hence reduce that Third question, sin 20 degrees, sin 40 degrees, sin 20, sin 40, sin 60, sin 80. Sin 20, sin 40, sin 60, sin 80 is equal to 3 by 16. And fourth question, cos pi by 9, cos 2 pi by 9, cos 3 pi by 9, cos 4 pi by 9 is equal to 1 by 16. This is a basic formula of objective. Now let us going to discuss about the proofs. Depends upon proof of first theorem. We can do third one. So this application, first theorem, this application is this one and this application is this one. Proof. Taking LHS, first question. Taking LHS sin A into sin pi by 3 plus A into sin pi by 3 minus A. Pi by 3 meaning is 60 degrees. So let us consider this one as sin A into sin 60 degrees plus A into sin 60 degrees minus A. Let us remember the formula sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B formula, sin square A minus sin square B. Sin square A minus sin square B. That implies now it can be written as sin A into sin square of 60 degrees minus sin square A, that is equal to sin A into sin 60 value you should write here and you should square for the value. Root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square a, that is equal to sin a into root 3 by 2 whole square becomes 3 by 4. 3 by 4 minus sin square a, that is equal to sin a into, take an LCM here, 3 minus 4 sin square a, 3 minus 4 sin square a whole by 4. Take 1 by 4 as a common and multiply with sin a, it becomes a 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. We know that the formula of 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a is equal to sin 3a. So this is RHS. This is 1 by 4 sin 3a. Therefore, now we can write here sin a into sin of pi by 3 plus a, or sin a into sin, okay, sin of pi by 3 plus a into sin of pi by 3 minus a is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3a. We got it one as 1 by 4 sin 3a. Now that implies sin a is equal to, that meaning I am writing as sin a into sin 60 plus a into sin 60 minus a. Sin a into sin 60 plus a into sin 60 minus a is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3a. Here put a is equal to 20 degrees. A is equal to 20 degrees here. That implies sin 20 degrees. Sin 20 degrees into sin of 60 plus 20 degrees into sin of 60 degrees minus 20 degrees is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3 into 20 degrees. 3 into 20 degrees. Next step, I am writing multiply by sin 60 degrees both sides. Multiply by sin 60 degrees both sides. So that implies sin 20 degrees into sin, this is 60 plus 20 becomes 80 degrees. Here 60 minus 20 becomes 40 degrees into multiplying both sides sin 60, we can write here sin 60 into 1 by 4 into here sin 60 into sin 60. Sin 60 into sin 60 two times. That implies in the order I am writing here, sin 20 degrees into sin 40 degrees into sin 60 degrees, sin 20, sin 60, sin like this, sin 20 to sin 40 to sin 16 to sin 80 degrees is equal to 1 by 4. Here sin 60 into sin 60. So value root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Therefore, conclusion, sin 20 degrees into sin 40 degrees into sin 60 degrees into sin 80 degrees is equal to here root 3 into root 3, 3 by 4 into 4, 3 by 16. Sin 20 into sin 40 into sin 60 into sin 80 is 3 by 16. This is direct objective bit and IMP 4 marks IP is sum. Now let us discuss about cos values. Second bit LHS cos A into cos pi by 3 plus A into cos pi by 3 minus A This is LHS. That is equal to, once again we can write here, cos A into cos 60 plus A. Cos 60 degrees plus A into cos 60 degrees minus A. Let us remember the formula of cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B formula, cos square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus sin square A. That is equal to here cos A into cos square 60, cos square 60 degrees minus sin square A. That is equal to cos A into cos 60 value 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square you should write, and sin square A we can written as 1 minus cos square A, because in terms of cos we should get the formula. So this is cos A into 1 by 4 minus 1 minus of minus becomes plus cos square A. That is equal to cos A into, first of all I am writing cos square A plus value minus 1 by 4 minus 1 becomes minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. That is equal to cos A into, take an LCM here, 4 cos square A minus 3 whole by 4. 4 cos square A minus 3 whole by 4. That is equal to, multiply with cos A. So 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A whole by 4. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A by 4. This is nothing but the formula of cos A. So you can write this one as 1 by 4 cos A. Therefore, we got the formula cos of cos A into cos pi by 3 plus A into cos pi by 3 minus A is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3A. 1 by 4 cos 3A. This is formula we got. Depends upon this formula, he is asking that cos pi by 9 into cos 2 pi by 9 into cos 3 pi by 9 into cos 4 pi by 9 like this. Of course, this is nothing but cos A into cos 60 plus A into cos 60 minus A like this. So cos A, you can write here cos A cos 60 plus A, cos 60 minus A is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3A. Now put here A is equal to 20. That meaning is nothing but I am writing here as pi by 9, because pi means 180 degrees, pi by 9 means 180 by 9 is 20 degrees. So cos A into cos of 60 plus A, directly you can write 80 degrees, into cos of 60 minus A is 40 degrees, is equal to 1 by 4 cos into 3 into 20. 3 20s are 60 degrees. Now multiply by cos 60 degrees both sides. That implies in the A means here 20. Cos 20 degrees into cos 40 degrees. In order I am writing here cos 60 degrees, cos 40, cos 20, cos 40, cos 60, cos 80 is equal to 1 by 4 into cos 60 into cos 60. Cos 60 into cos 60. So that implies cos 20 degrees, cos 20 degrees into cos 40 degrees into cos 60 degrees into cos 80 degrees is equal to 1 by 4 into value of cos 60 1 by 2 into value of cos 60 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 it becomes 1 by 16. So at last you can write here the value. Therefore the conclusion cos A into, here pi by 9 meaning itself is 20 degrees. So pi by 9, 20 means pi by 9, 40, 2 into 20, so 2 pi by 9, 60, 3 into 20, 3 pi by 9, 80, 4 into 20, 8 pi by 9. So like this you can write cos A into cos pi by 9, cos A into cos pi by 9, cos 2 pi by 9, cos 3 pi by 9. Cos first of all pi. Simply see the question. Cos pi by 9, cos 2 pi by 9, cos 3 pi by 9, cos pi by 9, cos 2 pi by 9, cos 3 pi by 9, cos 4 pi by 9 is equal to 1 by 60. Therefore, cos pi by 9 into cos 2 pi by 9 into cos 3 pi by 9 into cos 4 pi by 9 is equal to 1 by 16. This is the sum. Depends upon the multiple submultiple angle formula we have discussed. Two examples. One example. Among one example, two separate sums are there. Among two separate sums, separate proofs are there. Eleventh question is there. Page number 269. Example 11. Page 269. If 3a is not an odd multiple of, if 3a is not an odd multiple of pi by 2, prove that tan a into tan 60 plus a, tan a into tan 60 degrees plus a into tan 60 degrees minus a is equal to tan 3a, and hence find the value of tan 60 to tan 40, tan 6 degrees, tan 6 degrees into tan 42 into tan 66 into tan 78. Taking LHS, tan A into tan of 60 plus A into tan of 60 minus A, tan A into tan 60 plus A into tan 60 plus A can be written as tan A into, write this is in the form of tan A plus B, tan of A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So it is tan 60 plus tan A, tan 60 plus tan A by 1 minus tan 60 into tan A into this one also in the form of tan 60 minus tan A by 1 plus tan 60 tan A, tan 60 minus tan A by 1 plus tan 60 tan A. That is equal to tan A into the value of tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 plus tan A whole by 1 minus root 3 tan A into this one tan 60, again tan 60 value root 3 minus tan A whole by 1 minus root 3 tan A, that is equal to tan A into You can understand this one as the formula of a plus b into a minus b. So root 3 whole square minus tan square a. Root 3 whole square minus tan square a whole by 1 whole square 1 minus root 3 tan a whole square. That is equal to tan a into root 3 whole square becomes 3. 3 minus tan square a. 3 minus tan square a whole by 1 minus 3 tan square a. So multiply with tan a. It becomes 3 tan a minus tan cube a. 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. So this is tan 3a formula. 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square is nothing but tan 3a. That implies we can say that tan a into tan 60 plus a into tan 60 minus a. Tan a into tan 60 plus a into tan 60 minus a is equal to tan 3a. These are all formulas for objective. Sin a into sin 60 plus a into sin 60 minus a is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3a. Cos a into cos 60 plus a into cos 60 minus a is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3a. Tan a into tan 60 plus a into tan 60 minus a is equal to simply tan 3a, not 1 by 4. Remember as formula. Now put a is equal to 6 degrees. Put this is an equation 1. Put a is equal to 6 degrees in 1. Right here. It becomes tan 6 degrees into tan 60 plus 6 becomes 66 degrees into tan 60 minus 6 becomes tan 54 degrees is equal to tan 3 into 6 becomes 18 degrees. Put second equation. Now once again put a is equal to 18 degrees in 1. Put right here instead of a tan 18 degrees. Tan 60 plus 18 becomes tan 78 degrees and tan 60 minus 18 becomes tan 42 degrees is equal to tan 3 into 18. It is 54 degrees. Let this is second equation. Now 2 into 3. Do the values 2 into 3. Tan 6 into, in order I am writing tan 6, tan 66, tan 54. Tan 6 into tan 66 into tan 54 within a bracket you write. Next another one tan 18. Tan 18 into tan 78 into tan 42. Tan 18 into tan 78 into tan 42 is equal to right side tan 18 into tan 54 we can write. Tan 18 degrees into tan 54 degrees. Tan 18 into tan 54 degrees. Now observe carefully the values here. Tan 18 is there, both sides get cancel. Tan 54 is there, both sides get cancel. RHS side only one is there. Therefore, in order you write that tan 66 degrees, tan 6 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 66 degrees into tan 78 degrees is equal to 1. That's all. Tan 6 degrees into what is asked? Tan 6 into tan 42 into tan 66 into tan 78. So the total value is 1. In previous textbook, simply show that he given. Now in this textbook he changed that. There simply find the value. Of course the value is 1. This one also very important for objective. Now 11th question completed. Let us going to discuss about 12th question. Page number 269, example 12. Example 12, page 269. For alpha, gamma, beta belongs to capital R, prove that for alpha, gamma, beta belongs to capital R, prove that cos alpha plus cos beta whole square, cos alpha plus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha plus sin beta whole square, cos alpha plus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha plus sin beta whole square is equal to 4 cos square of alpha minus beta by 2. 4 cos square of alpha minus beta by 2. This is the proof. Let us take LHS. Cos alpha plus cos beta whole square. Cos alpha plus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha plus sin beta whole square. Cos alpha plus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha plus sin beta whole square. Expand this formula in terms of a plus b whole square. So cos square alpha plus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus cos square beta, a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2 plus b square. Next, this is a sin square alpha plus 2 sin alpha sin beta plus sin square beta. Now, we know the formula of cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to 1. Next, cos square beta plus sin square beta equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Next step, you can write here 2 plus, here 2 you can take common in these two terms. 2 taken common, it becomes cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. 2 total taken common, it becomes 1 plus. Understand this one as a cos A cos B plus sin A sin B concept. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B formula cos of A minus B. So this is cos of alpha minus beta. And now I am writing the formula 1 plus cos theta in submultiple angle concept is 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2. That is equal to 2 into, you can write here the submultiple angle formula. Here theta meaning is alpha minus beta by 2. So to resolve 4 cos square of alpha minus beta by 2. 4 cos square of alpha minus beta by 2. This is our answer. Twelve questions completed. Let us going to discuss about 13th question. 13, 14, 15, 16 sums are there. 13 question, 14, 15, 16 sums are there. 13 is lengthy question. I will say in next class. Let us discuss today 14 question. Example 14. If theta is not an odd multiple of, theta is not an odd multiple of y by 2, and cos theta not is equal to minus 1 by 2. Prove that sin theta plus sin 2 theta whole by 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta is equal to tan theta. Here his meaning is that theta is not odd multiple of pi by 2, meaning tan, if it is only simple pi by 2 it becomes infinity, and sine, if it is odd multiple, sine 2 into pi becomes it is 0. So 1 plus cos it is 0 and cos 2 pi becomes minus 1, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, denominator becomes 0. Denominator will not become 0, that is why given the condition that theta is not multiple of pi by 2 and cos theta not equal to minus 1 by 2, because if here cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2, 1 plus cos theta becomes 0. So according to condition it's okay. Now take LHS. LHS sin theta. Sin theta plus sin 2 theta. Sin theta plus sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta. That is equal to, write the formula of sin 2 theta here. Sin theta plus, here the sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta whole by, here write like this, 1 plus cos theta. This is equal to, plus simply this is cos theta. In numerator, you take common sin theta, it becomes 1 plus 2 cos theta within brackets, whole by 1 plus cos 2 theta, general formula 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta plus cos theta, that is equal to sin theta into 1 plus 2 cos theta. Sin theta into 1 plus 2 cos theta whole by, in denominator you take common cos theta, it becomes 1 plus 2 cos theta or 2 cos theta plus 2. This one get cancelled. We got sin theta by cos theta. The value of sin theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta. Okay students, so many IMP questions are there. Exam 15 is most IMP question, and 13th question, 15th and 16th somewhat lengthy questions. Let us discuss the questions in tomorrow class, and after we can continue exercise 6. The next class, okay, 15 question, most IMP, let us continue in class.